Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's session, we will be exploring the Clipboard group in Microsoft Word, one of the essential groups that makes working with text faster and more efficient. In our previous lesson, we covered the font group, where we learned how to format and style text. If you haven't seen that video yet, I've included the link in the description below so you can check it out. So, let's get started and dive into the Clipboard group to understand its features, functions, and how it can make your work in MS Word smoother and more productive. So, let's begin with the very first command, the cut command. The cut command is used when you want to remove text or an object from one location and move it to another. When you cut something, Word temporarily stores it in the clipboard, which allows you to paste it anywhere in your document or even in another document. For example, if you select a sentence and click the Cut button, the text disappears from its original place, but it is not deleted permanently. Instead, it is stored in the clipboard until you paste it. You can use the Cut command either by clicking the Cut button in the Clipboard group on the ribbon, or by using the shortcut key Ctrl+X on your keyboard. This feature is especially useful when reorganizing content in your document, moving paragraphs, or transferring text from one section to another quickly and efficiently. The cut command only works when you first select text or an object. If nothing is selected, cut won't remove anything. So always highlight the content before using cut to move it to the clipboard. So, let's go ahead and select some text to see how the cut command works in action. As you can see, the command is now active and functioning as expected. Now, go ahead and click on it to apply the command. Now you can see that the selected text has disappeared. This is because the cut command has been applied. Now, let's bring the text back by using the paste command from the Clipboard group. The paste command allows us to insert the content stored in the clipboard back into the document at the desired location. Select the area where you want to paste the text, and then click on the paste command in the Clipboard group, or simply use the shortcut key Ctrl+V. You can now see that the text has appeared in the area you selected. Now, let's move on to another important command in the Clipboard group, which is the copy command. Unlike cut, the copy command duplicates the selected text or object while keeping the original content in place. The copied content is stored in the clipboard, allowing you to paste it anywhere you need. But as you can see, the copy command is also inactive until you select some text or an object. Once the content is selected, the command becomes active and ready to use. So, let's go ahead and select some text to apply the copy command. You can now see that the copy command is active and ready to use. Simply click on the copy command to apply it, or use its shortcut key, Ctrl+C. Now, select the area where you want to place the copied text, and then apply the paste command. You can see that the text has been duplicated, it still remains in its original location, and at the same time, it has also appeared in the new area where we applied the paste command. Now, let's move on to one of the most important tools in the Clipboard group, the Format Painter. This command is extremely useful because it allows you to copy the formatting of selected text or objects, such as font style, size, color, or effects, and apply the exact same formatting to other content in your document. It saves time and ensures consistency in your work. Now, let's select some text and apply a style to it, such as changing the font, size, or color, so we can use the Format Painter to replicate that formatting. Here, we are applying formatting such as bold, italic, underline, and a few other styles to the selected text. The formatting is now complete. Let's go ahead and select the style text. Now, click on the Format Painter command. You will notice a brush icon appears. Wherever you want to apply this formatting, simply drag the brush over the text, and the selected style will be applied instantly. As you can see, a brush icon has appeared. Now, simply drag it over the text where you want the formatting to be applied. You can see that the formatting has been successfully applied to the text where we dragged the brush. You can see that the brush disappears after we apply the formatting once. By default, the Format Painter works for a single use only. However, there is an easier way if you want to apply the same formatting multiple times. Simply select the text, then double-click on the Format Painter command. This way, the brush will remain active and allow you to apply the formatting to multiple areas. As you can see, we are now applying the formatting to multiple areas in the document. It will only turn off when you press the Format Painter command again or press the Escape key. As you can see, the Format Painter works multiple times when activated with a double click, making it a powerful tool for applying consistent formatting across your document. And with that, we have now completed our discussion on the Clipboard group in Microsoft Word. In this session, we covered all the essential commands, cut, copy, paste, and Format Painter, and learned how each of them can make our work faster, easier, and more organized. I hope this lesson has given you a clear understanding of how to use these commands effectively in your documents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our previous lesson on the font group, which is linked in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue exploring more useful features of Microsoft Word.